This year's Korean Film Festival is a specially arranged event to celebrate the upcoming ASEAN-Korea Commemorative Summit in Korea in December, and the 40th anniversary of diplomatic relations between Singapore and Korea next year. This year, we screened 5 specially selected Korean movies that were acclaimed for their cinematic quality and popularity. Taking this opportunity, I express my deep gratitude to all those who have supported this film festival. My special thanks go to Mr. Mike Wilwan, the CEO of Infinity Studios and chairman of the Singapore International Film Festival, who is here with us tonight as the guest of honor. As you know, Korean films have been playing a pioneering role in enhancing the popularity of the Korean wave across the world. Korean films have long been loved by movie fans around the globe, and they have been well received in many international film festivals. They have not only helped raise global awareness of Korea, but also further bolstered the country's image. Indeed, films represent a country's culture. They reflect the real life and imagination and its people. Therefore, by watching films, we can gain certain insights into other cultures and better understand other societies. In other words, films enable us to widen our knowledge about people from different parts of the world. At the same time, films also highlight the common humanity that binds us by showing that universal values such as love and friendship exist everywhere. For these reasons, films have become indispensable mediums for cultural exchange. Against this backdrop, we have held Korean Film Festival annually to promote friendship between Singapore and Korea. This year's film festival is expected to bring people in our two nations even closer, because the films revolve around the theme of one of our key shared values, that is family. Although 4 films cover different stories of different families in different genres, they all emphasize what it means to be a family. It is my hope that many Singaporeans will be touched by these films and ruminate on what family means to them. Apart from these touching movies, we have also prepared a blockbuster, The Roaming Currents. This film had set a new Korean box office record this year with more than 17 million viewers. I am certain that the audience in Singapore the audience in Singapore will enjoy the movie and the realistic sea battle scene. Once again, I am delighted to introduce these 5 acclaimed Korean movies in Singapore. I hope that you will enjoy this evening's opening film and take this as an opportunity to further understand the Korean culture. I wish you all a pleasant evening. Thank you for listening.